We're going to be using the calculator to find the mean and standard deviation of raw scores. Raw scores haven't been put into a frequency table. They're just scores from asking questions or a survey, such as how many Facebook friends do you have, how many songs do you have on your iPad, how many cars go past an intersection in every 15 minutes. So the example that we've got here is 15, 28, 21, 18, 19, 25 and 22. Okay, I've got our calculator here. First step is to turn it on. And as you can see, it's in maths mode. So we press mode 2 to turn it into stats. And we're working just with raw scores, and also if we're working with frequency tables, we're working with just one set of scores. We're not comparing it to any other set of scores, we've just got one set of scores. So we're going to put it into number 1, which is one variable. We're only considering one group of scores. We're not comparing them to another group of scores. So we press one variable, and as you can see, we're just putting each score in individually. So we put them in 15, press equals, the equal button, 28, press the equal button, 21 equal, 18 equal, 19 equal, 25 equal, 22 equal. Now once you press the equal button, the information's in there. To find out the mean and the standard deviation, you need to press all clear, the all clear button. You then press shift 1, which gives you some information that you can find. By pressing 2 takes you back to where you entered your data. 4 gives the information that we're looking for. 1 gives you the n, number of scores that you've entered, which if you're putting in a lot of raw scores, it might be worthwhile checking that you put in the right number. Pressing number 2 gives you the mean, x bar. Number 3 is the standard deviation of the population, and 4 is the standard deviation of a sample. So if you're told that out of a sample of 100 people, 20 people's information was collected, what's the standard deviation of that 20 people, then you would use 4. Most of the time, unless you're told that it's a sample, we're finding the population standard deviation. So if I press 2, it tells me, yes, I want to find x bar, and I press equals, and 21.14 comes up. Okay, now press shift 1 again to press 4, back into that screen where I get to choose 3 to find the standard deviation. Remember to press equals, otherwise you're looking at old information. So the standard deviation is 4.05. So that's how you find the mean and the standard deviation. Now to clear the memory, you can put it back into maths mode. That will clear the memory of any statistical table that you've put in. Or if you still want to work in standard deviation, you need to go back in. If you press shift 1 and press data, when you're in that screen, if you then press shift 1, edit, so you need to be in the screen where you enter the information, you press edit and press 2 for delete A. That will take you back to a clear screen. You can then enter your next set of scores.